A very good morning, children. In our previous class, we dealt with problems pointing to multiplication of fractions. So, multiplication of fractions, that means fraction multiplied by another fraction. So, as we are done with that exercise, today we are going to start exercise C 6.3, which gives us some problems pointing to multiplication of fractions. Okay, problems on multiplication, we can take it like that. It is very simple and helps us to solve some of the real time examples like 1 by 4 of 1 hour, 1 by 4 of 1 hour, half of 1 kg. So this kind of problems are going to be there in exercise 6.3. So to start with, I am going to solve MCQ questions which you will mark in your textbook. No need to copy into your CW. So the first question, the MCQ's first question. So the first one is MCQs. No need to copy into your CWs. Just mark the answer which I will tell you at the conclusion. No need of writing complete thing. So the first MCQ is, in it the first one is 4 by 7 of 7. Okay. During our 8th chapter explanation, I explained you a rule of BODMAS where that O indicates off. If you remember, in BODMAS rule, the letter O indicates off and which is indirectly pointing to multiplication. Indirectly pointing to multiplication. We are going to use the same here where 4 by 7 of 7 means 4 by 7 multiplied by 7. Multiplied by 7. As you know, when there is no denominator, we'll take it 1. If you write by 1 or not a problem. So, by taking cross cancellation 7 times 1 and 7 times 1, the leftover value is 4 times 1 by 1 into 1, which is equal to 4 by 1 or 4. 4 by 1 or 4. So you can find 4 at option B. So tick mark option B in your textbook, children. Very easy. Off means you will put multiplication symbol and rest of the process is very much similar to 6.2. Now the second MCQ question, they give 3 by 7 of 1 week. They gave 3 by 7 of 1 week. If you check the given options, all the options are in days, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. So indirectly, they are giving us a hint that you have to mark off means multiplication. 1 week contains how many days? 7 days. 7 days. So we can write it as 7 by 1. So 1 week we are turning it into or converting 1 week into 7 days. So here also cancellation we have 7 times 1 and 7 times 1. The leftover value is 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 3 by 1 or simply 3. Here days is compulsory. If there is no such thing in question, you can directly put 4. But here they specified it very clearly. Hence you have to write 3 days and it is there at option C. So tick option C in your textbook. Now the third one, children. 4 by 5 of 120. 4 by 5 of 120. So which makes 4 by 5 multiplied by 120. 4 by 5 multiplied by 120. If there is no denominator, you will take it 1. Here we can cancel 120 in 5 table at 5 2's 10, 24 times. 24 times. So the leftover value is 4 multiplied by 24 divided by, as it is 5 times 1, 1 into 1. So 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 96. So option C. Option C. Please mark these answers in your textbook, children. That's enough. Now let us move to second Roman, which is the actual thing you have to copy into your CWs. So the second Roman is find the following. That means they gave some problems over there. By using the properties of multiplication of fractions, we have to solve them. So the second one is find the following. Find the following. In it, the first question is 1 by 4 of r. 1 by 4 of r. So, you know that 1 hour is equal to, you can write like this, we have 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So, through this what we can understand is we are going to get the answer in minutes. Therefore, 1 by 4 of r, 1 by 4 of r is equal to 1 by 4 of means multiplication. Of means multiplication. We already wrote 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So, the denominator is going to be 1. Okay. So, if you want, you can cross cancel. Otherwise, 1 times 60 is 60 by 4. 60 by 4. So, 4 times 60. 60 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. The remainder is 2. Drop 0. 4 times 5, 20. The remainder 0. So, 15. You should not leave it like this, children. 15 minutes. So, 1 by 4 of hour is 15 minutes. In Olympiads and in the other math related competitions, most of the questions will be of this type. So practice more and more. Now the second question, children, we'll do one thing. Second question I will give as homework. Now the third one, 3 by 5 of 1 rupee. 3 by 5 of 1 rupee. 3 by 5 of 1 rupee. So here also we have 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 100 paise. Okay. So therefore 3 by 5 of 1 rupee is equal to 3 by 5 of 1 rupee will be equal to 3 by 5 of means multiplication 100. If there is no denominator, what will take? 1. Here we have a chance of cross cancellation that 5 times 1 gives us 5 and 5 20 is 100. Okay. So which is equal to 3 into 20 by 1 into 1, because here I have 1 and here 1. So that is equal to 60 by 1 or 60. As it is in paise, 60 paise. 60 paise is the answer. Hope you understood, children, and are able to do the problems. Now what I am going to do is, I will do that fourth one. Please practice cross cancellation very much, children. It will be of great help. So now the fourth one. Fourth one is 7 by 9 of 40. 7 by 9 of 40. So let us see. 7 by 9 of 40. So that is equal to 7 by 9 of means multiplication 40. If there is no denominator 1. Here if we observe this numerator and opposite denominator, or any numerator or any denominator, there is no chance of cancellation. Hence what we can do? we can't do anything, just regular multiplication of numerators, that is 7 into 40, and regular multiplication of denominators 9 into 1. So 7 times 40 is 280 divided by 9 into 1, 9. Here we have a chance of converting this into mixed fraction. So 9 times 3 is 27. Remainder is 1. Drop this 0. 9 times 1. 9 times 1 is 10. 9 times 1 is 9. So remainder 1. So we can say that 31 1 by 9. 31 1 by 9 is the final answer. So hope you followed, children. Very easy questions. So what I am going to do is that leftover 2nd, 5th and 6th are going to be your homework. I will notify you. So please copy your CWs carefully and we'll meet you in the next class.